Well, friends, this is Florida living at its finest. I'm Eric, and we're at 350 West Delaware Avenue in lovely Lake Helen. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is over 2,200 square feet, features an office, open concept with that dining, kitchen, and living room, all open to each other, tall ceilings. It's absolutely beautiful. You're gonna love it. We have a split floor plan and a gorgeous pool in the backyard. The area, you have over 30 4-star plus rated restaurants within a 15-minute drive, your grocery stores, 5 within 10 minutes. The local movie theater is 10 minutes away. And if you love that beach, it's only a 30-minute drive. Need to get to downtown Orlando? Only 45 minutes away. You're gonna love living here. It is so peaceful, quiet. You have that Florida charm with the modern conveniences of this home. Come take a look with me. Follow me. Hello friends, thank you so much for checking out this listing. Hopefully you love it as much as I do. This place is amazing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite feature is. Obviously, mine is this pool area. It's absolutely gorgeous, and on a hot day like today, you're gonna enjoy a nice, refreshing dip. We look forward to serving your real estate needs. As always, remember to give us a thumbs up and share with your friends who are looking. Talk to you soon.